Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hey, I just wanted to show you how I draw certain things and then make a boo-boo and then how I fix it. So I'm going to draw just a holly leaf, and I start off, let me zoom in. I start off with a stem and then some lines and bring it around. Do it again. And oh, maybe it's hard to mess up when you're trying not to, but okay, so I've got a holly leaf here, and it's not exactly how I want it, so I am going to let that dry, and in the meantime I'm going to make another one. While this one dries, it's not the perfect holly leaf. It's really easy to make holly leaves. You just draw the stems and then you fill it in. And you know, this is not the perfect holly leaf. Okay, so we're going to let that dry, and then in just a minute we'll come back and I'll show you how I make this to be a little bit more pleasing to the eye. Alright, hey everybody, this is dried, so I took a hair dryer to it. I'm not really crazy about how these look with just watercolor. I didn't drop any values in or anything, but you know, hey, I'm gonna take my micron pen and come to the rescue. So I'm kind of in a hurry on this, so I am going to come around. And I don't even have to be, you know, precise. I just like to come around and bring this. I think it looks pretty cute. It's line and wash. And it doesn't really matter that there's white space, because I really think it just makes it pop. And it doesn't matter if you have you know, watercolor outside or don't get it all in, you know, filled in. If there's a little bit of white space here and there, I actually like it that way. I think it looks more like a Christmas card. Now, if you don't like it that way and you want to come back and fill it in, you can, but I think that looks pretty good. Let me connect these. And you can always come back and tighten things up. So, say you want to put a little shadow in there. So, maybe you want to wet it a little bit here and then come back and put a little bit more dark. But always wet it first. That way it blends out and you have soft edges. So there, I'm going to wet that. I'm going to come back in, put some dark in there. And I'm going to wet it up at the top. And maybe at these. And come back and put some dark. And I just think you get a little bit, I really love line and wash and going around things with a pen. You might have to let that, give it time to rest a minute. The water, that is. So there you go. There is a really quick trick on tightening up your watercolor and giving it a little bit of oomph. Now once this dries, it will dry it a little bit of shade lighter. If you don't like those hard edges, you can just soften them out. So there. I'm not crazy about them, so I'm going to bring them down. There we go. Now I think that looks cute. So, alright, try this trick out. See you next time. Bye.